Take number 3 is like we train to make a video. Okay. Full justification for your rich text box, which everybody wants and needs. I will give you the code and the links, not the code, but the links in the description below. Of course it will be below. Where else will it be? Anyway, so let me show you guys. We have the left, the middle, okay, and the center and the right, and the full justification. You can see there's a lot of this context menu strips that came in, which were not there previously. Let me show you how to activate this. We'll go into the code. Instead of the horizontal move you always use, you will use the text align, justify right and center. To show you in the control itself, here's the normal original RichTextBox of window forms, and here is the SmartBox one. That's a new control. Here you find it, but gee, please. So you will find it over here, and yes, my English is not so good than yours, but anyway, okay. So you will find it over here, but first you have to create this control. What you have to do is you have to create a form. I called mine form SmartBox. You create a new class. There's the new class. I'm going to go into that. You can find everything on the website to show you what they done or do or will do, supposed to do. Let's open this guy. No, nothing has changed. Okay. Here you can see it is fully justified. You can use the left one, the center, the right, and the full justification. It works. And you wonder how I do the background color. Doesn't matter really. It's very easy. It's a, let's say you right click for the background color and left click for the foreground color. It's very easy to do. Is built in the new RichTextBox, not like in the previous Visual Basic 6 RichTextBox where you don't have a back color, or where you can set it without a lot of code. So this one is built in. I can show you over here. Let's say block it there, go back here. That one is very easy. You can say RichTextBox. You can say selection back color. There it is. There's your back color, which you can set to your selection text. So something else I want to show you is I brought in, come on, okay, of course, I stop it, yes. You can also brought in back color and fore color for your whole RichTextBox, but there's no way you can load it as such. So if I open this yellow and green, no, don't say that, guy. Okay, you can see it's not yellow and green anymore. It's now white on black. But let's change this. Any place you can click in, you can say select your foreground color with your middle button and change your back color with your middle button. let's say green. There's your example. That's a bit light green, to make it darker green. Yes, I'm done and I set it. When you save it, let's open Book of 5 Rings again. You will see this, everything is fine over here. But the moment I go to yellow and green, it's yellow and green. But you can still change your other text as well. You can still let's do this way, and you can say I want that one as a dark blue background with a make it a lightish color on that side. You will find it, you will see it's still there. You can still do it. Now you have this way, and it looked like this. Let me show you. Here at the bottom I save my colors extra. I call it X file. Save X file. And make a new point in it to show where it is. And when you load it, you load it like this. And this is how the file will look like. Book of 5 Rings have it also. You just don't see it. Here's the foreground color and the background color of the document. To show you the yellow one, yellow and green. There it is at the back, at the bottom of each file. So you can change it, you can load it. Every time you save it in my program, this will be saved as well. No other program will open and use this function. So if I open, let's say I double click it now, this is another program. This is my default RTF reader. It won't use this because it's not built in for this one. If you look at it on this side, this is another RTF reader, you won't see it. So it's only within my program that you will use this. So yes, that is for the background colors, and of course your fully justified text. To show you, you can do it over here, but first I have to, because this is a scanned in document, so you have to rectify the problem before you can do it. There's your left, there's your center, there's your right, but that is only for that line. Until you select the full paragraph. If you now stand it any other place, it will work for the complete paragraph as well. No, it's not, as you can see. You have to select the complete paragraph. There it is, fully justified. You can put the background, and you can give the foreground so that you can see what it is. Okay guys, the link is in the bottom. Enjoy.